Problem-based learning, PPBL. English literature. From a literary piece to a real problem. These are the main themes that I have chosen when working on PPBL as a learner: stereotyping, prejudice, and accepting the other. These themes are relevant and authentic for pupils: stereotyping, prejudice and fear of accepting the other, because that other is different, prevent many mainstream pupils from accepting special education pupils as suitable to be their friends, or part of their group, etc. Accordingly, the following is the problem that I, when taking the role of a learner in the PPBL process, have formulated. Am a special needs pupil, and many pupils do not accept me as part of their group of friends because I look different and or have problems speaking, and or have a physical disability, and or have problems controlling the way I react. The characteristics of the PPBL displayed in the chosen problem are the following. The problem is real. It highlights the negative effect on teenage pupils due to stereotyping, judging people by first impression, and the fear that comes with meeting teens who are different. The problem is authentic because it is connected to teenage pupils' world. They meet special education pupils at school on a daily basis. Becoming aware of the negative effect of stereotyping and prejudice, and of the inability to accept the other is part of the way to learning to live with differences in life. The problem is focused. It relates to the relationship among teenagers in and out of school,